Hello and welcome to the wonderful city of Budapest. And here on the banks of the Danube is Hotel Clarke, a 5-star hotel located right next to the famous Chain Bridge. This wonderful 5-star hotel is well designed and very stylish. The incredibly welcoming bar and restaurant area have an ambience all their own. These tarot cards are actually the cocktail menus, and the food options are excellent. The rooms follow the themes from the reception area, if overall a little dark. I loved the view from the tub, but the design was awful and the water ended up everywhere. The views overlooking the Danube are wonderful, and they just get better during the night. I would absolutely recommend staying at the Hotel Clarke. I found it to be stylish, comfortable, yet very modern. It's just unfortunate that the rooftop bar was booked out during my stay, as I would have loved to have seen it. I'll leave you with some views of the wonderful Budapest and the Hungarian Parliament building.